BG Products is your partner for service drive profitability and customer retention. Hello, I'm Andy Baldessari, Director of Marketing and Training with BG Products, here to invite you to visit us at NADA 2025 in New Orleans from January 24th through the 26th. Join us at booth 2900, where we will showcase how our industry-leading products, equipment, training, and menu software are achieving record profits and customer retention. Discover why more than 50% of dealerships and some of the largest OEMs choose BG Products for their service drive chemical program. Best-in-class equipment like the BG BFX and the all-new CFX will be on display. Experience our award-winning training like BG Certified and our all-new BG Experience augmented reality app released for the MetaQuest 3 headset. Check out the newly updated BG Tech app designed to empower your technicians with the information they need to succeed when performing BG services. And meet with the Smart VMA team, learn how this revolutionary digital menu has helped thousands of dealerships be more efficient and profitable while increasing customer retention. Connect, learn, and discover how BG Products can help drive your success in 2025. We'll see you there.